Hello everyone, welcome back to Canada Immigration Global. Manitoba retires student pathway to permanent residence, June 2026 update. There is an important immigration update for international students planning to settle in Manitoba. The Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program, MPNP, has officially retired the Career Employment Pathway, CEP, under its international education stream. Let's take a look at what this means for current and future applicants. Manitoba ends the Career Employment Pathway. On 11 June 2026, Manitoba announced that the Career Employment Pathway has been retired with immediate effect. This pathway was designed to help eligible international graduates who studied in Manitoba transition to permanent residence after securing employment in the province. As of the announcement, no new applications will be accepted under the Career Employment Pathway. Who is affected? This change mainly affects international graduates who were planning to apply for permanent residence through the Career Employment Pathway. If you were planning to use this stream, you will now need to explore other immigration pathways available under the Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program or Federal Immigration Programs. What happens to existing candidates? There is good news for some applicants. Candidates who already have an active expression of interest (EOI) under the Career Employment Pathway and have completed at least 6 months of work experience in Manitoba may still be considered for selection under the Skilled Worker in Manitoba Pathway. This provides an alternative opportunity for eligible applicants who are already established in the province. Why is Manitoba making this change? The province has not announced a direct replacement for the Career Employment Pathway. However, Manitoba regularly updates its immigration programs to better align with labor market needs and provincial priorities. International graduates may still qualify under other Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program streams if they meet the eligibility requirements. What this means for international students? If you are planning to study in Manitoba with the goal of obtaining permanent residence, this update is important. Graduating from a Manitoba educational institution alone will no longer provide access to the Career Employment Pathway. Prospective students should carefully review the remaining Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program pathways and consider other provincial or federal immigration options based on their education, work experience, and career plans. Final update: Manitoba has officially retired the Career Employment Pathway under its international education stream. While no new applications will be accepted, eligible candidates with an active expression of interest and at least 6 months of Manitoba work experience may still have an opportunity to be considered through the Skilled Worker in Manitoba Pathway. If you're planning to build your future in Manitoba, it's important to stay informed about the latest immigration changes and explore alternative pathways to permanent residence. If you found this update useful, like the video, subscribe to Canada Immigration Global, and share this video with friends and family planning to move to Canada. Thanks for watching.